Hi guys, most of the IIMs coaching classes, everybody promote this table that if you touch this number, you are going to get the IIM calls. So minimum percentile requirement for the first shortlist. Yeah, see this table. So I'm also seeing the table on my phone. So general category 80 percentile, OBC 70 percentile, verbal section. Overall अगर aggregate की बात करो 85 percentile, 75, 75, 70, 65, 60. If you get this number, you are getting the IIM call. But read the statement again. This is the minimum percentile required to get the call. It's like if I compare this kind of a thing with Shaadi.com or with Tinder.com. So Tinder pe account opening, you can't just open the account. For example, you can't just open the account. You have to be 18 plus. So you have to be this to open the account. Fine. Just to open the account. So you need this percentile just to be eligible for the IIM call. Does not mean you'll get the IIM call. Please try to understand that. There are many other things required as well which will qualify for the IIM call. And that's what you talk about. Fine. So this is the entry level. Fine. You can submit your call, but we'll open the file of only those people who clear this cutoff. Okay. So if you are getting this much percentile, you are qualified. So for example, in IIM Lucknow, out of 1,90,000 people who applied, only 20,000 people cleared this number. But I can't interview all 20,000 who qualified. Yeah, out of these 20,000, I have to call a few people. Okay, that is the stage 2. So this is your stage 1. Yeah, you understand? You have to get this much per percentile, the basic hygiene to get noticed by the IIMs. Phase 1. Alright, now for stage 2, look at the table here. CAT weightage is only 48%. Yeah, this is the average of all the IIMs. This is the for all the IIMs. Total, if you look at every college, IIM Ahmedabad 65% weightage, IIM Bangalore 40% weightage, IIM Calcutta 56% weightage. But if I look at the average, CAT 48% weightage, academic record 43% weightage, work experience 4%, academic diversity 2%, gender diversity 2%. Now those who crib because of this gender diversity, I'm not getting the call, this and that, academic diversity, engineers are not preferred, this and that. कितना दे रहा है यार? 2% दे रहा है वो. They're giving 2% extra marks for them. Fine. Remaining 98 is still open for you. Let's fight for that. See, we can't control that. This quota system we can't control. Yeah. यहाँ तो भैया भिड़ जाओ गवर्नमेंट के साथ, बम्बू लेके, चाकू चुकू लेके IIM अहमदाबाद पहुंच जाओ कि आज तू नहीं तो मैं नहीं. फाइन. यहाँ तो करो, इतना कुछ करो जाके, नहीं तो चुपचाप अपने पे ध्यान दो. फाइन. After all these things, academic diversity, gender diversity, still 90% to 80%, let's say 80% of all the IIMs graduates are engineers. 80%. Boss, why we are cribbing for the remaining 20%? Let's focus on the 80%. Same way, boy to girl ratio is now 70 to 30. After all this quota, extra marks, everything, after all these things, still girls are only 30%. You focus on the 70% now. Okay, I know any kind of reservation is bad, but आप अपने पे ध्यान दो. Don't look at all, because these kind of things will create a lot of negative energy in your mind. Your focus should be to get the score, irrespective of whatever is happening. Okay, and that's what I recommend. ये सब मत देखो आप. You focus on how much you are getting in the mocks. That is more important. So if it's a 2 hours का paper, your target is 100 marks. If it's a 3 hours का paper, your target is 150. Get me 100 marks. You are a boy, a girl, whichever gender you belong to. You are an engineer, non-engineer, whichever stream you belong to. You are open category, reserved category, whichever category you belong to, you will get the main IIM calls. And after MBA, you will be working in a top company, earning a minimum 20 lakh package. Fine. Focus on getting your CAT percentile. That's the only thing we can control. Apart from that, the other things we can't control. All the best.